Let's go first, kids.
Meow. What's he doing? I don't quite know.
Maybe we can find out. Phew. That was great, guys. Did you see it? Did you see it? I slid down that blue zigzaggy slide and you guys watched me. Your turn, Scratch Cat.
Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. Meow meow meow. Meow 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 meow.
It's okay, Scratch Cat. You'll come down. Hey, I have an idea. How about we cheer for Scratch Cat? You can do it with us if you want. Just say with us, you can do it, Scratch Cat. You can do it. You can do it, Scratch Cat. You can do it.
Meow 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 meow.
You can do it, Scratch Cat. You can do it.
Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow.
Great work, kids. We changed the story and helped Scratch Cat come down from the wall and not fall.
Magnet letter.
A magnet letter? Oh. Which letter did you find?
C.
C? Cool. Let's put it in our special HP. Whoa. We finally found all of our magnet letters. Now we can go find our secret word.